plus 18 is a really good year. We are very lucky because in the vineyard we can control the quality of the grapes, and we can feel and we can see a lot of grapes in 2018. And my philosophy is I'm afraid because the quantity. I think we have this is too large, and I'm afraid the wine will go small. But we can see after 6 months in our barrel, the wine go very, very, very good, and I think it's a really good year. Very pure, very round, and the barrel gives something to the wine.